Is your Bose SoundLink Mini not charging? Let's start with the most common causes. First, we need to check your power adapter and cable setup. The first thing to check is your power adapter. Your Bose SoundLink Mini needs a compatible charger that provides 5 volts and at least 1.6 amperes of current. Next, test your USB cable. A faulty cable is one of the most common causes of charging problems. Try a different USB cable to see if that solves the issue. Dust and debris in the charging port can prevent proper connection. Use a small brush or compressed air to gently clean the charging port. Be careful not to damage the internal contacts. If your speaker hasn't been used for a while, it might be in battery protection mode. Connect the speaker directly to a working power outlet, bypassing any charging stations or cradles. These basic power and cable checks solve most charging issues. If your speaker still won't charge after trying these steps, you may need to try software resets or more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic power and cable checks don't resolve charging issues, software resets are the next step. The most effective method is performing a hardware reset using the speaker's buttons. Press and hold the mute button or power button for exactly 10 seconds. You'll know the reset is working when the LED lights begin to flash. This clears temporary software glitches that may prevent proper charging. Outdated firmware is a common cause of charging problems. Bose regularly releases firmware updates that fix charging bugs and improve battery management. You'll need to connect your speaker to a computer for this process. Connect your speaker to your computer using a USB cable. Then, visit the Bose Bluetooth Device Updater website. The site will automatically detect your speaker and check for available firmware updates. Sometimes speakers enter error states that prevent charging. Bose provides a special diagnostic website to clear these errors. This process requires specific keyboard inputs while connected to the diagnostic site. For deeply discharged batteries, special management techniques can help restore charging capability. Allow the battery to drain completely, then attempt a full recharge cycle. This can reset the battery's internal charge management system. As a last resort, battery replacement may be necessary. This requires technical skill and the correct replacement battery. For SoundLink Mini 2 models, soldering may be required, making this a job for experienced technicians. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the charging issue, contact Bose customer support. They can provide additional diagnostic assistance or arrange for professional repair services.